question, well, what if I could? Where would I start? What would I have to do first? And that gets you pointed somewhere, and then, you know, this lady said, well, we don't teach that, but there's math. I guess you would have to know a lot about mathematics. Now, if she had said engineering first, I'd have an engineering degree. But she said mathematics first, and so I would enroll the schools in mathematics. Because that was a way to get pointed in the direction I wanted to go. Now, this person knew less about what was going on probably than I did, even at the time, but it was a way to get started. So that's my first question. Well, what if I could? And boy, I could tell a whole hour's worth of stories about things that I've gotten into because I asked that question. What if I could? And I think that's a good place for all of you to start. What if I could? What would I have to do first? How could I get more information? And the first thing I would tell people after that, Google. Take whatever the word is, go to find a computer, put the word into Google and see what comes up. There is something out there on any topic you can possibly think of as a way to get started. I love Google. So, and these are some other words you can say instead of I can't, I need to, I should, and or I'll try. And instead of I'll try, I intend to. You know, intent is good, try is hard. Well, it's in my never used words. Because you can always say, well, I tried, and have done absolutely nothing. Okay, so let's get to the end of this. You can ask better questions and make better choices in the moment as a result. And the first, the most empowered question is, what can I do? And then the victim question is, well, why is this happening to me? Well, why don't they do something about it? Who's they? Okay? So that, and which one of these questions gives you the most control? What can I do? How can I start taking responsibility for what happens to me? Not just somebody else out there doing it to me. And when my friends started talking about, oh, it's the economy, I said, yeah, but you know, there are people around doing really good in this economy. What are they doing that you're not doing, or that I'm not doing? And how can I do more of that? Not everybody is suffering. I want to be on the side that's not suffering. And here's the question to keep asking yourself. What small step am I willing to take to move toward my goal? And these are just some pointers about, you know, when you're in action, it moves you forward. And sometimes it requires courage, and it does help you get unstuck. And then when you do nothing, that is a decision too, by the way, not to do anything to help yourself out of whatever you're in. It does nothing. It keeps you in the path. It indicates fear, but it's like, you know, you can have fear even when you're taking action. And because I have been scared to death. So the first time I got up to speak in front of people, I was scared. I'm not scared anymore. I never know. But you know, but you have to start somewhere. And inaction keeps you stuck. And this is really the last slide. It all starts with believing you can. Those who win are those who think they can. So, you get what you expect. Expect positive expectations. The choice of what you believe is up to you. So, believe in yourself and go for it. So, the last chart is my